Hi, I'm Michael Romine with Houston Grass. If you're looking for sod installation in Houston, Texas, you're in the right place. We serve Houston and the greater Harris County area with premium Texas-grown turf grass. The right grass depends on your sun, your shade, and how you use your yard. We offer Raleigh St. Augustine, Palmetto St. Augustine, Cobalt St. Augustine, Tifway 419 Bermuda, and Zoysia options like Palisades, Emerald, and Cavalier. If your yard has shade, Palmetto or Cobalt may be the best fit. If you want a durable, easy care lawn with more sun, Raleigh and Palisades may be a great choice. And if you need a tough grass for full sun and heavier traffic, Tifway 419 Bermuda is often a strong option. In many neighborhoods, HOA rules may affect the grass you can use in your front yard, so it's always a good idea to check before you choose. If you're not sure what grass is best for your property, we can help you find the right solution. At Houston Grass, we help you choose the right grass and get your lawn started the right way. If you're ready to improve your Houston lawn, give us a call or request a quote online.